Okay, hi and welcome to another Ben Golding Guitar Masterclass. Today we're going to be looking at a classic Winner Takes It All by the wonderful Abba. Okay, for this one, okay, the first thing I want you to do is to get a capo and put it on the 4th fret. Okay, that's so we can play along with the exact key that Abba did their version of the song in. Capo on the 4th fret for the exact Abba key. But obviously if you don't have a capo or you prefer to play it in a different key to suit your voice, you can obviously move the capo up and down or just play it without one, as long as you learn the correct chords and the tune on top of it and everything else. You can do it in any key that suits you, but for the Abba version, capo on the 4th fret. Okay, now what I want to do first of all, just very quickly, I want to go through a simple, I'm just going to hum the tune in the background, so you'll have to excuse the singing, but I'm just going to play the chords, hum the tune, just so you get an idea of what we're kind of aiming for with this one. So, starting off with a little chorus, we've got the Okay, so you get the gist of the song, pardon the singing there, but what I want to do first of all is give you the chords that are involved here. Very straightforward, and like I always say, if you already know these chords, you're a little bit more experienced, you might want to forward the video along where the chords for the song will be on the screen and you can just play along and start practicing it straight away. But if you're starting out more and you want to go through these chords and take a bit of time to get used to them, just follow this section of the tutorial now, because we're going to be looking at 4 chords for this one, very straightforward. We've just got D, got an E minor, got an A, and we've got a B minor. 4 very simple chords there. Okay, so to start off with, I want to give you the D major. So for this one, just take your first finger and you put it on the 3rd string in the 2nd fret. Your next finger goes on the 1st string in the 2nd fret, right at the bottom, and your next finger goes on the 2nd string in the 3rd fret. Okay, there's your D major, and for this one, you're trying not to strum the 2 strings at the top, it's just the lower 4 strings, there's your D major. Okay, E minor next, and I want you to take your first finger and put it on the 5th string on the 2nd fret, and your next finger goes on the 4th string in the 2nd fret, and for E minor, you strum all the strings. Okay, next up let's have a look at the A major. For this one, you just take your first finger and you put it on the 4th string in the 2nd fret. Next finger goes right underneath that on the 3rd string in the 2nd fret, and your next finger goes right underneath that on the 2nd string in the 2nd fret. And for A major, we're trying to avoid the bass E string right up at the top, and it's just the 5 lower strings on that for your A major. Okay, leave the most difficult one till last, which is the B minor. Okay, for this one, you just take your first finger and you put it on the 1st string on the 2nd fret. Your next finger goes on the 2nd string in the 3rd fret, and your next finger goes on the 4th string in the 4th fret. Your little finger goes just underneath that on the 3rd string in that 4th fret. And for B minor, we're aiming to miss the 2 strings at the top of the guitar. You're just trying to strum the lower 4 strings. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward. You might want to rewind this section of the video and go through them a little bit to get comfortable with those chords. But that was just D, E minor, A major, and then B minor. Okay, so get used to those chords, and now let's have a look at the song. Very, very, very straightforward, this one. If we start off with the verse section, all we've got is D major, we've got A major, got E minor, and then we've got A major. Okay, so very slowly, okay, just with simple downstrokes, I'm going to start off with that one just to get used to it. And again, excuse the singing, but I'm going to hum the tune underneath just so we can get it. And the chords obviously will come up on the screen, so you can just play along a little bit with these ones, okay? So this one, starting off with a D. 1, 2, change to the A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and then back to A, 2, 3, 4, 8, D again, D, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3 to A, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 to A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so like always, you might want to stop the video for a bit and just practice those chords just to try and get used to them. But let's just go through that a little tiny bit more, and you can try and play along with it. And again, I will hum the tune in the background. Hopefully you'll get used to it just with this. Okay, so from the D, da 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 da, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Then to the A, 3, 4, A, E minor, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, back to A, 1, 2, 3, 4, to the D, somewhere deep inside, 3, 4, 1, change to A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, E minor, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, change to the A, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so with that, you might again want to stop the video, practice it in your own time, or just rewind this section and play along with it. But let's move on now to the chorus. Yeah, for this bit, you've got a D, you've got a B minor, got an E minor, and you've got an A. Yeah. So again, let's just go through. I'll start off just to give you an idea of how it sounds. Okay. Takes it all, 2, 3, 4, 1. B minor and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And to A and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Back to D. B minor and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. E minor and A. One more time. The winner takes it all. D, 3, 4, 1. The loser has to be minor. E minor. A. Okay, so now that's as simple as it can get really. There we've got the verse and the chorus section. What I'm going to do now, again, the chords will be up on the screen, so just play along. I'm just going to go from the verse into the chorus just a couple of times. So play along and hopefully you'll be comfortable with that. Okay, so starting with the verse, we've got the D. To the A, D. A. E minor, la la, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, da 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 da, A, 2, 3, 4, A. Somewhere deep inside to the D, and then to the A, la la. E minor, la la la. Da 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 da, A, and then the chorus. Da 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 da. B minor. E minor, da 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 da, A, da 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 da, D, da 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 da, B minor, da 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 da, E minor. The winner takes it all, and another verse, da 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 da, to the D. Da 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 da, A, E minor, la la, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, da 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 da, A. Somewhere deep inside to the D. to the A, la la, E minor, la la la, da 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 da, A, and then the chorus. The game is on again, B minor, la la la, E minor, la la la, the winner takes it all, da 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 da, to the D, B minor, la la la, da da la la la, the winner takes it all. Okay, pardon the singing there. Okay, so it's a very simple acoustic version of the absolute classic Winner Takes It All by Abba. Practice that one along, get comfortable with it. It's a great, great tune. A lot of the, again, you know, a lot of these songs I do get performed quite a lot. Some of the open mic events, the sessions that I run in South East London. So that sounds great with a singer-songwriter vibe to it there. Just acoustic guitar vocals, classic tune. Practice it, it'll sound great. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time for more classic tunes with Ben Golding. Thank you.